Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 16, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 9 3/4 points to 28.65 per contract. All in all, the futures really started to take off right here around 3:30 in the morning. So markets showing some strength here. They actually had a really good day yesterday, and we'll see what today brings. Now, please remember, tomorrow is options expiration for the month of May. So let's get started here with stocks in the news. First one we're going to take a look at is going to be Walmart. That is one of the world's biggest retailers. Right now, the stock is trading at $103 a share, closed at $99.90. So nice little pop there for Walmart. Again, there's a lot of resistance from what I can see around the 105 level. In fact, if you look at, say, a weekly chart, and I'm just going to pull that up real quick, what you're going to notice here is that price is going to go right into that red bar and that little bit of a pivot. So again, a lot of resistance around 105. If it gets there, I would expect Walmart to stall out a bit, but nice move ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how it plays out. Really nothing I'm looking to do with it just yet, but we will keep this one on the radar. Anytime you look at Walmart, you also want to look at Target. Target right now trading at $71.52. That closed at $70.81, so a little uptick there as well. Next one we are on our radar here is Cisco Systems. CSCO is a ticker symbol here, big networking company. Stock right now is trading at $54.24, closed at $52.42, so good little pop there for Cisco. This has been beaten down on a daily chart, was a bit oversold, now catching a nice little bid after earnings. We'll see where this one goes. There's really not much I'm looking to do here with this at the moment. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see where it heads, and then maybe we'll look to do something once the opening bell rings. With that being said, let's go on to the next one. DDS is the ticker symbol here. This is Dillards. Dillards right now trading at $58.74. I will say this, with the exception of Walmart, we did get some weakness in Macy's. We also got some weakness now in Dillards. Two stores are very similar. Dillards right now trading at $58.74, closed at $63.39. There's really no level I see here for Dillards. There may be some support around 55. I'm not even sure if I like that level all that much. When you look at the daily chart, you'll see little pivot there. When you look at a bigger time frame chart, which is more along the lines of the weekly, you're going to see a bigger level around 50. So again, we'll look at Dillards once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it gives us some kind of a setup. Right now, trading a little bit down on the session. Again, closed at $63.39, now trading at $58.74. Next up here, we're going to take a look at NTES. NTES is the ticker symbol here. Stock finished the day yesterday at $262.04, now trading at $274.99. This is on the back of earnings. This is a Chinese ADR. So again, NTES a little bit on the thinner side, meaning it rarely trades a million shares a day. Does make these big dramatic moves when it does go higher, and this is decently higher today. I think around 277 though, 278, there's a lot of resistance there, so be a little bit careful with the name when it gets there. That can get there pretty easily too. This thing can move pretty quickly, so just see how it plays out. But around 277 to 278, that would be max move for me from what I can see. Let's take a look at another one here, wicks.com. This stock is getting hit today, trading at $135 a share, closed at $142.09. So that's a pretty good little haircut here. Not much I would do with it just yet. I'll try to have some levels worked out in the intraday stock chat room for this one. But again, Wicks under some pressure this morning. Again, not a whole lot I would do with it at the moment, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at VRTU. Looks like this is getting absolutely hammered today. So this stock closed at $54.20. Now this is a very light volume stock. And what I mean by that, it usually trades about 100,000 shares a day. And this is the danger of earnings when you trade these light volume names. Look at the down move today. So the stock reported earnings closed at $54.20, now trading at $41. Honestly, I don't know if I could do anything with this till it gets down to around 29 or 30 bucks. So again, that's how big these moves can be sometimes when you trade these light volume names. And if you just look at a daily chart, you'll see what I mean. You know, just yesterday traded 122,000. So again, Virtu USA, I mean, this is just an ugly, ugly name today. We'll see how it plays out. The only level that would get me interested in it would be down around 29, maybe 29.50, somewhere down there. Next up, let's take a look at Sony, SNE. Looks like they're going to buy back 4.8% of their stock. That's about $1.8 billion worth. So the stock right now trading at $51.15 on the news. I think there's a huge amount of resistance around 55.25 if it gets there today. We'll see how it plays out. But again, news there. They're going to buy $1.8 billion worth of stock, which is equivalent to around 4.8% of the stock. So we'll see how that shakes out. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading lower by $7.20, $1,290 an ounce. You could see gold caught a bid early in the week on some fear concerns, but as the markets move up, gold has subsided right now. The GLD is trading at 121.82. I'm not so sure where. Well, it looks like you got a nice little gap window around 121.35. So keep that on the radar today. That might be a little bit of a bounce play for the GLD. Again, spot gold trading down $7.40 to $1,290 an ounce. Next up, we have crude oil in play today. That's up 88 cents, getting a real nice bid. Crude trading at $62.88 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see that this is trading around $13.12, up from $12.98. So good little pop there. All right, we're going to wrap it up here. I want to wish everybody a wonderful trading day. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Things are really heating up. Things are just getting interesting. And again, we got a lot more volatility expected down the road. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the chart.